Hey, happy end of the weekend here, everybody. I've been thinking a little bit lately and realized I have gotten away from why I started making videos in the first place. I do a lot of weird stuff. I do a lot of crazy projects. I do a lot of things that there's probably a right way to do them, and that's probably not the way that I'm doing them. Um, yeah, just in things that I started this whole thing because I figured, well, hey, I enjoy doing these things. Other people might be interested in too. And somewhere along the line, I got away from that and started making videos because I thought they were what people wanted to watch instead of because I thought they were what I wanted to make. So, uh, yeah, I'm going to try to get back to why I started this anyway. It's supposed to be fun for me, not work, right? So yeah, that's where I'm at. So let me show you a few of the projects I have going. Most of them are either ongoing, short interval, a little bit here, a little bit there projects, or just quick things. One of them you can see up behind me there. I've started getting some air circulation bits in the rafters of my garage here. Minnesota, winter is probably 9 months of the year. That might be an exaggeration, but not by a lot. The last probably 3 weeks, it hasn't hardly gotten above 10 degrees for more than maybe 2 days. And it's just hard to do anything out here when it's that cold. And I had started, you can see a little bit behind me, getting some insulation in the walls and realized, well, that's dumb. Why am I insulating the walls before the ceiling? The ceiling is where I'm going to lose most of my heat. So started getting that in, and what I'm sitting on for a chair right now, some R38 ceiling insulation baffles. I only picked up one pack of it. I'm doing a little at a time. The reality is, if I buy all of the stuff to insulate the entire ceiling all at once, half of it's going to get racked out in my garage here before I get to it. So that's one of the things I'm going to try to do here is get this one package of insulation up into the roof. And the other thing is my shop vac had a issue here. I'll show you what that is. So hope you enjoy. If not, I'm going to have fun making it. So sucks to be you. But either way, cheers. I picked up this really nice, it works great, huge shop vac at a thrift store for 20 bucks last summer. But when I got it home, the filter was just disgusting, full of mold and nastiness. So I took the filter off, and now I'm having a heck of a time finding a filter replacement for it. It must be an older model or something. So I picked up paint strainer bag. And for the time being, I'm just going to zip tie a paint strainer bag around that, and that'll be my filter for now. There we go. Is it the right way to do it? Nope. But I tell you what, it's going to work. I've got all of this sawdust from a few lathe projects, all of these shavings that just need to go away because I'm starting to get worried it's a fire risk. Especially if I've got some grinding I need to do on something. So I need to get it up, and let's see if that's going to work. And then it got very, very dark. I was vacuuming some sawdust, and I had, let's see, where is it? 1 and 2. Oh, no, that's not it. There it is. 2 heaters going, electric heaters, because it's cold. And I guess that was enough to blow the fuse. So I'm going to turn the heaters off and then go replace the fuse. Look at that. Works like a charm. Is it perfect? Nah, probably not. But it works. Sawdust is in the bin and not flying around in the garage. So until I find the right filter, project complete. Holy cow! I've never used bats like this before. I opened up the package and it's like, what, 4 times taller than it was? It's amazing how much this stuff compresses. So, all right, here we go. Now it goes from here to there. Well, when you're on a roll, you're on a roll. Can you spot the issue between there and there. Those are 16-inch gap rafters. Those are 24-inch insulation battings, which I should have noticed when I bought them, and then I should have noticed when I unloaded them, and then I should have noticed before I ripped them open, but I didn't. So now I've got all of this insulation that doesn't fit what I want to insulate. So now I have to decide, do I want to cut them down in order to fit? Or do I want to find another use for these and get the right insulation for here? I don't know. I'll figure that out, but classic. Got the wrong size. And while we're on a roll, showing you all of the projects I'm midway through here, and while it's still cold and snowing outside, here's the other project. This bathroom has been mid-remodel for way longer than I care to admit, but I've finally been getting the shower tiled. I finally have all of the tile up. Now I just need to get it cleaned up and get the gaps grouted and paint the ceiling, and we will have a functioning shower again. So yeah, that's most of the projects I'm midway through. Here at the end there will be a picture of a few more projects that I did but didn't record anything for. Like I said, got in my own head. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed. If not, tough. But yeah, we'll catch you next time. Cheers.